made to feel welcome from start to finish. Boat was compact but comfortable, has a toilet on board as well. You can't move around like the bigger boats, but you get to the caves faster. The Blue Caves was the first stop. Life jackets are compulsory but means you can view the rock formation. The water is so transparent you don't need mask and snorkel here. Allowed to swim in the 3 different chambers, then back on board. Bit of music on the boat, then 40 minutes snorkel at a secluded cove which is full of fish. The staff spoke many languages, drinks available on board as well. The only minor gripe we had was mainly the instructions to get to the dock, although we booked via TripAdvisor. All we had was a pinpoint on Google Maps, but when we got there, after a hectic walk from Alcudia Beach, it was a deserted ferry port. Thought we might miss the excursion altogether. Usually there's a sign or stand somewhere. TripAdvisor's instructions were a bit vague. They did provide a number to phone, which we phoned, who sent a WhatsApp link to the destination. We arrived earlier than the scheduled start time to ensure we would be on time, but the boat was late, with no prior communication, to say they were running late. The staff on the boat were excellent, otherwise I would have rated the trip as a 3-star trip, because of the late start. A little more information on the seating arrangement of the boat might be useful in advance of purchase, as I suspect the seating may be problematic for people with lower limb mobility issues, which I do. Again, your boat crew were excellent and made every effort to ensure all enjoyed the trip and kept us safe. What an amazing experience and trip! All the crew members were extremely friendly and helpful. The views were breathtaking, we got loads of pictures. I went with my 3 kids ranging in ages and they all took part and enjoyed it thoroughly. A truly wonderful experience, swimming in caves. Jumping off the boat and snorkeling with fish, all in picturesque surroundings. What more could you want? Highly recommend this to anyone. We booked through Cathay in Bellevue area. We went on speedboat with company called My Sea Experience. Cathay has been here for 40 years. She has kids of her own and very experienced in what she does. She was information and made the whole experience less stressful. The bus arrived on time and was very comfortable bus. Thank you again, Cathay, for helping us decide what to do. I went on this trip with my family and we had a fantastic time. The team was very professional and friendly, which made the whole experience even more enjoyable. We visited the stunning Blue Cave, did some snorkeling in a beautiful bay, and explored a little part of coastline. We even spotted goats on the cliffs. Everything was well organized and relaxing. Highly recommended. Great boat tour for anyone looking to see a bit of the eastern coast of Mallorca. The tour guides were fun and friendly. We saw a few different caves and got to swim in one as well with life jackets on. Then we had about 30 minutes to swim and explore a small but beautiful secluded beach. Overall, it was a great 3-hour boat tour and all 4 of us would highly recommend. A fantastic experience, even with small children. The crew was incredibly friendly and attentive, ensuring a wonderful experience. Swimming and snorkeling in beautiful bays and visiting caves were all part of the fun. A lovely change of pace and a new perspective on the island. So much fun, beautiful scenery and a great guide. The ride out the cave was stunning with lots of information from Paco. The cave was beautiful and really is blue. Stop off at another cove on the way home. Fit an hour was equally as lovely.